Okay, we're going to continue with tutorial 9. We're going to do page 396. Okay, this is 396. Oh, I got hair here. Yeah, let me get the hair out. Okay, 396. Okay. So remember, the first thing I always ask you to do is to write down the units of each of the object. So teaspoon, how many paper clips? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, right? Here to here is 6. Teaspoon 6. Whisk is from here. Remember, start from here, not here. Here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Whisk is 13. So you can answer the question now. The whisk is how many units long? 13 units long. The teaspoon is how many units long? 6 units long. The whisk is how many units longer than the teaspoon? So remember, you're comparing again. Okay, so minus, when you compare minus. Understand, Matthias? Matthias always get this wrong, when you're comparing minus. So whisk, 13, teaspoon, 6. 13 minus 6, okay? 13 minus 6, take out 6 fingers, count down from 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, okay? But by now, you should know that 6 and 7 makes 13, okay? So 13 minus 6 equals to 7. How many teaspoons has a total length of 18 units? Now, this one is a difficult question, so I'm going to go through with you. How many teaspoons has a total length of 18 units? So we know that 1 teaspoon has a total length of 6 units. So 1 teaspoon has a total length of 6 units, not 18 units. So how about 2 teaspoons? 2 teaspoons has a total length of 6 plus 6. This is 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoons. So 6 plus 6 equals to 12. So 2 teaspoons has a total length of 12 units, not 18 units. So we need another 1 more teaspoon. So let's plus 1 more teaspoon, okay? So 6 plus 6 you know is 12. Then 12 plus 6 equals to, take out 6 fingers, count up from 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, 18. So 1, 2, 3. 3 teaspoons has a total length of 18 units. So 3 is the answer. Okay, next one. The total length of the teaspoon and the whisk is how many units? So total length of teaspoon is the 6, teaspoon 6, whisk is 13. So total length 6 plus 13, you get the answer. Alright. Okay, let's look at the next page, 397. So 2 objects, remember to write down the units first. So pen is how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. Brush, start from here, end at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units, okay? So the pen is how many units long? Pen is 4. Brush is how many units longer than the pen? So you're comparing again. Remember, when you compare, you minus. Okay, Matthias, compare, minus. Brush. Brush is 6. Pen. Pen is 4. So minus 6 minus 4, 2. Okay, the brush is 2 units longer than the pen. The total unit, every time you see total, you have to plus. Total unit of the pen and the brush. So pen is 4. Brush is 6, you plus them. 4 plus 6 equals to 10. So can you see the difference? We are comparing longer than or shorter than or whatever. Or the then, you minus. You finding total length, you plus. Alright, okay, so make sure you don't get mixed up. A tape. Now, there's a new object called the tape. Okay, a tape is 7 units longer than the brush. The tape is how many units long? So we know the brush is 6 units and the tape is 7 units longer than the brush. So the tape is how many units long? So it's just 7 plus 6 because it's 7 units longer. 7 plus 6 is 13. So the tape is 13 units long. Alright, so this is how you do it. Okay, let's look at the next page. Okay, so 3 objects, write down the length first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pencil is 7 units long. Eraser from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 erasers, 6 units long. Bookmarks from here to here, not here, from, can you see this is a tip? From here to here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, bookmarks 11. So the length of the bookmark is 11 units. The length of the pencil is 7 units. The length of the eraser is 6 units. The pencil is longer than the what? The pencil is longer than what? Is the pencil longer than the bookmark? No, the bookmark's longer than the pencil. Is the pencil longer than the eraser? Yes. Pencil is 7, eraser is 6. So pencil is longer. So pencil longer than eraser. Write down eraser. Okay, next one. The total length again, plus the total length of the pencil and the eraser. So pencil is 7, eraser is 6. You plus them. 7 plus 6 is 13. Okay, so that's all for this page. Let's look at the next page. Okay, you look at items again, write down the units. So look at this. You see they put dotted lines here to here for the screw, but you only need to find the length of one screw, not 2 screws. So they want to trick you. They want you to think that from here to here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so the length of a screw is 4. The length of 2 screws is 4, but the length of one screw only is just 1, 2. So it's just 2. Okay? One screw is only 2. Okay? Scissors from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Scissors is 8. Nail from here to here. 1, 2, 3. 3. So they ask, the length of the screw is how many units? The length of the screw is 2. Okay, a lot of people will write 4, which is wrong. Okay, the length of 2 screws, they never say 2 screws, they only say 1 screw without the S. Okay, the length of 2 screws is 4, but the length of 1 screw is only 1, 2, 2. Okay, the length of the pair of scissors is 8. The length of 2 nails is the same as the length of how many screws? Very hard, huh? Sounds also very hard. Okay, the length of 2 nails. 2 nails, what's the length of 2 nails? 1 nail is 3, so 2 nails is 3 plus 3. You have 2 nails, right? 2 nails. Okay, see, 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So the length of 2 nails is 6. So 6 units is the same as the length of how many screws? So, you know 1 screw is 2. Okay, 1 screw is 2 units, plus another screw is 4 units. And if you plus another screw, which is another 2 units more, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the length of 2 nails, which is 6 units, is the same as the length of 3 screws, because 3 screws is also 6 units. So the length of 3 screws. Okay, so this one's little tricky, okay, don't get tricked. The pair of scissors is as long as how many screws? So the scissors is how many? 8 units. And you know 1 screw is 2 units, so you have 1 screw, 2 units. Okay, and you need another screw. So you have 2 screws already, 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4. And another screw, 6 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and another screw, you need another screw. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4 screws equals to the length of the scissors, which is 8 units. So the pair of scissors is as long as 4 screws. Okay. Now, the what is longer than the what but shorter than the pair of scissors. Okay, so you have to see the what is shorter than the pair of scissors. Okay, we don't look at this because you don't know yet. There's a blank here. So you find this part first. The what is shorter than the pair of scissors. So we have screw and nail. Both of them are shorter than the pair of scissors. So let's just make a guess. Okay, let's put the screw. Okay, let's put the screw. The screw is longer than the, so this other blank has been nil, right? Screw and nil, left screw and nil. So let's see whether it makes sense. The screw is longer than the nil. Is the screw longer than the nil? No, it's not. So cannot be screw and nil here. So you have to change place, okay? The nil here and the screw. Okay, let's read it now. The nil is longer than the screw. Is the nil longer than the screw? Yes, okay? But shorter than the pair of scissors. Is the nil shorter than the pair of scissors? Yes. So the nil is longer than the screw and the nil is also shorter than the pair of scissors. So this is correct. Alright? Okay, next one. The fork is how many units long? Oh, remember? See, I forgot. I made the mistake. I forgot to write in the units for each of the items. So let's do fork first. The fork is 1, 2. Can you see over here? They put this length, that means it's 1 unit. So 1 unit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fork is 9 units. Toothpick, 1, 2, 3 units. Strainer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. Okay, it's from here to here, 7. Knife, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units. Okay? Now, teaspoon. Teaspoon, okay? So you have to count this way now, right? This, can you see over here, is also 1 unit. Okay, over here is also 1 unit. So 1 unit, 1 unit, 2, 3, 4. So the teaspoon is 4 units. So they try to trick you by putting the spoon this way. So you have to count upwards, alright? So the fork is how many units? The fork is 9 units long. The length of the strainer is how many units? 7. Okay, the what is 4 units long. Who's 4? This one, teaspoon. So you write teaspoon. Okay, the toothpick is how many units shorter than the knife? Again, shorter than. So what's happening here? Comparison. Yeah, comparing. Okay, toothpick is how many? Toothpick is 3. Knife is 10. So when you compare, what must you do? Matthias, what must you do? You must minus. Okay, 10 minus 3 equals to 7. The toothpick is 7 units shorter than the knife. Next one. The total length of the what and the what is 16 units. So you have to find which two objects, you plus them together, gives you 16 units. Because total length is plus, right? So is it knife and the strainer? Knife plus strainer is 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7, is it 16? No, 10 plus 7 is 17. Okay, so too big, you need something smaller. How about, don't use 10, use 9. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. So strainer and fork. Okay, strainer and the fork. So this kind of question is those kind of questions that I ask you to never give up. Keep trying. Which two gives you 16? Okay? Okay, the next one is the same also. Look, find the units for each leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leaf A is 7. Leaf B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf B is 4. Leaf C is 1, 2, 3. 3. Leaf D is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Leaf E is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Until here, right? 8. Leaf E is 8. So leaf B is how many units long? You can write it. Leaf what is 7 units long? 7A, right? Leaf what is the longest? So 7, 4, 3, 4, 8. Which one is the longest? 8. So leaf E is the longest. Leaf what is the shortest? Easy, right? C, 3 only. Leaf C is the shortest. Leaf what is as long as leaf what? So which two leaf has the same length? Leaf, can you see 4 and 4, leaf B and D. Leaf B is as long as leaf D. The total length of leaves A, D, and E is how many units? So total length plus A is 7, D is 4, E is 8. So you plus 3 of them together. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. So the answer is 19. Okay. The longest lived is how many units? Longer than the shortest lived. Longer than. So this is comparison, comparing. You have to minus. Longest is 8. Okay, this is the longest lived. Shortest lived is C. C is 3. So minus, comparing 8 minus 3 is 5. Alright. Okay. Next one. So find the length of each of the fishes. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Lift B is 1, not lift. Fish B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Fish C is 1, 2, 3. 3. Fish D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay, so fish B is how many units long? Can answer this. Fish C is how many units shorter than fish D? So again, comparing fish C and D. So fish C is 3. Fish D is 8. And when you're comparing, you minus. 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, the total length. Okay, total length. That means you have to plus. Total length of the 4 fish. Wow, you have to add 4 fishes up together. Can you do it? Okay, let's try this together. Okay, so the 4 fishes is 4. A is 4 plus B is 5 plus C is 3 plus D is 8. Okay, let's try. 4 plus 5 equals to 9. Next, 9 plus 3 equals to 12. Now, last one. 12 plus 8 equals to 20. So the answer is 20. Alright, so that's how you plus. You plus 1 by 1 by 1. Okay, next one. Fish what is longer than fish A but shorter than fish what? So let's look at this first because you have a clue. Okay, fish what is longer than fish A? So which fish is longer than fish A? So fish A is this, right? So only 2 fishes are longer than fish A, which is fish B and fish D. So this can only be B or D. Okay, let's try fish D here. Then this has to be B. Okay, so let's try. Fish D is longer than fish A, correct? But shorter than fish B. Is fish D shorter than fish B? Fish D, is it shorter than fish B? No, fish D is longer than fish B. So you have to change position. Okay, this has to be B and this has to be D. Now let's read it again. Fish B, okay, is longer than fish A, correct? 5 more than 4. But shorter than fish D. Is fish B shorter than fish D? Yes, fish B is shorter than fish D. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, the last page, alright? Okay, so again, find out all the units. 1, 2, 2 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units. D is 1, 2, 3, 3 units. E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 units. Okay, so millipede B is how many units? You can do it. Millipede E is how many units long? You can do it. Millipede what is the shortest? Easy. Millipede what is the longest? Easy. Millipede D is how many units shorter than millipede B? Okay, what's happening over here? Shorter than, that means you are comparing. Comparing means you have to minus, okay? So millipede D is 3. Millipede B is B, 6. So you minus. Okay, compare, right? The total length again, you have to plus. The total length of millipede what and millipede what is the same as the length of millipede E. Okay, millipede E is 10. So they're asking you, which 2 millipede you add them together, the total length of which 2 millipede is the same as 10 units, which is millipede E, right? So which 2 millipedes you add them together equals to 10? Is it 2 and 6? Is it 4 and 3? Or is it 4 and 6? It's 4 and 6. So it's millipede C and B. C and B. So the total length of C and B, which is 10, okay, 4 plus 6 is 10, is the same as millipede E, which is also 10. Alright, so this is how you do it. Okay?